In 2023, over 338,000 Americans have moved to different states for retirement. They're not doing it without a reason. This decision is based on several criteria such as cost of living, tax rates, exemptions for retirees, real estate prices, healthcare quality, and more. Here, I will examine which states offer the best conditions for retirees based on this criteria, potentially prompting you to reconsider retiring in New York or California. Based on the factors described above, here are the best states for retiring in the USA. Texas. In 2023, 5.3% of retirees moved to Texas. This state is popular for several reasons. Cost of living, lower than the national average. The median home price in Texas is $300,000. Taxes, no income tax on pensions or inheritance. Property taxes are low, with exemptions for retirees over 65 with incomes below $65,000. Texas ranks second among the 50 states for taxes favorable for retirees. Healthcare. Ranked 24th in the nation by U.S. News & World Report, Texas has many excellent hospitals and clinics with costs generally below average due to the lower cost of living. Climate. Hot summers and mild, snow-free winters help reduce winter utility costs. Safety. Texas ranks third among the most dangerous states according to the Murables, but safer cities include Flower Mound, Frisco, and Plano. South Carolina. Attracting 10% of relocating retirees. Cost of living, lower than the national average with a median home price of $230,000. Taxes, no income tax on pensions or social benefits, and relatively low property taxes. South Carolina ranks 7th for the retiree tax benefits. Healthcare, ranked 36th by U.S. News & World Report, healthcare is generally affordable and of good quality for retirees. Climate, warm summers and short, mild winters. Safety, ranked 14th in safety by SafeWise, making it a comfortable place for retirees. If you need help with estimating when to retire to maximize it or how to correctly report taxes, schedule a consultation with me using the link below. Florida, the top choice for 11.1% for relocating retirees, often called the retirement state. Cost of living, below the national average but higher than South Carolina and Texas, with a median home price of $375,000. Taxes, no taxes on Social Security, pensions, or investment income. While property taxes are high, there are various exemptions for retirees. Florida ranks 6th for the retiree tax benefits. Healthcare, ranked 17th by U.S. News & World Report, with numerous high-quality hospitals and specialists catering to retirees. Climate, subtropical with hot summers and short, warm winters. Many beaches provide excellent recreation. Safety, ranked 20th in safety by SafeWise. Choosing a state for retirement is crucial, but if you do not receive a comfortable amount monthly, it would not pose a large difference. Watch this video to see how to accumulate your retirement fast in the United States.